Yes, I can hear you, Harish. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, okay, perfect.
Hi friends, welcome back to Indian Football Supporters YouTube channel. Today we are going to preview Indian national football team for South Asian Football Federation Championship 2021. We can say it as SAF Cup. You had to join me like this. Please contact me through Instagram. Okay, guys, let's start. Please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Okay, guys, let's start. Rohan, what do you think about squad selection of Igor's team as for SAF Championship?
Yeah, coming up to the squad selection, as usual, I Igor Stimac, basically he usually, likes to select the top tier players basically from the Indian Super League, and he neglects the other leagues, he completely neglects the other leagues like I League, the second division I League and all that. I don't know why he does that, but it's quite weird, because he only selects players from ISL, and to be honest, players from I League as well have potential. Like we've seen Vidyasagar Singh, he's been proven himself really good, and even BFCB team in Duran Cup, they have proved that these young potentials also deserve a chance. Even they can do it. So scouting from the grassroots level would be something which Igor Stimac should focus on. And once again, a couple of blunders he's been making. He's been, missing out on some names like Anwar Ali, Vidyasagar Singh, and he's been choosing out of form players like Udanta Singh, which isn't a good thing to hear as well. And we've even seen Ishan Pandita missing out on the selection. So, I mean, I'm not so happy about the selection, but I hope we can do good.
What do you think? Which are the players was had to add to squad for SAF Championship? Which are the players missing by Igor's team match?
If you ask me, there are like a lot of players missing because from what I've seen, from what I've learned, this Duran Cup is, many players from even the lower division leagues have the potential to be better than the main team players. So what I think, according to me, Jerry is missing. He's been proven himself with Odisha FC the last season. We've seen him play. He's been amazing. So I think Jerry is missing along with Ishan Pandita as well. He's been amazing with FC Goa. I think he deserves a chance, and we've seen Vidyasagar Singh as well, proven himself in I League. He has a potential. I believe is better than some players like Rahim Ali. Rahim Ali also has good potential. He's been selected. Yeah, I think many of them are missing. Even Anwar Ali, if you ask me. And unfortunately, Amrinder Singh has been tested positive for the COVID-19, so he's been missing out. We can't blame him for that. So yeah, I think these are players who actually missed out on the selections for the SAF Cup.
What do you think? Which opponent will give tough game for India?
Coming up to which opponent will give a tough game to India, I believe Maldives national football team would give a good fight for India. Because I've seen the Maldivian players. They got good potential. I've seen them in the AFC Cup. BFC playing against Eagles. Some of those Maldives players, they've been amazing. Along with Mazia as well. Those players, a lot of Mazia players as well. Being named up for the Maldives national team like Hamza Mohammadi and all those players. They got a lot of potential. They've been proving themselves. And against ATKMB, we've seen them threatening a lot. So I think Maldives is going to give a really tough fight for us. And let's see how it goes.
Yes, this year Bangladesh was coming with a new coach who managed Bashundhara Kings in AFC
Yes.
Cup and Bangladesh Premier League.
Yep.
What do you think about it? He was a good coach and won league
Yes.
and titles in Bangladesh League.
Yes, this new coach which Bangladesh have appointed, his name is Oscar Bruzon. He's basically I think he's one coach that countries like India, Bangladesh, Nepal need. We've seen him showing his potential with Basundhara Kings. They've been absolutely phenomenal since the last 2 years. They've been dominating the Bangla League like a damn man. They've been really good since the last 2 years. Even in AFC Cup, we've seen him developing some talents, some local talents as well, even though Bashunda Kings get dominated by their foreigners. They've been really amazing, and he's the one who's been winning a lot since the last 2 years. And recently on September 22nd, he's been announced as the Bangladesh, the head coach, for the team, and it's pretty huge for Bangladesh. And I think he's the one who's gonna give a tough fight as well for India. And I'd be happy if coaches like him be the coach for us too.
Yes, yes. Bangladesh started to give citizenship for foreign players also.
Yes.
SAF They selected a foreign player called Kingsley, a Nigerian striker for
Yep,
Bangladesh
yep,
team,
right. Yes,
but FIFA not approved till, so he was not going to play SAF Cup. If
yeah.
he played, it is a threat for India.
Absolutely, man. Even India could, like get some chances like the outside players, but our government has denied it. There's an Iranian named Omid Singh. He has Indian roots. I'm sure you might have heard of him, Omid Singh. He was rumored to join ISL as well. He's actually a pretty big player, and he was actually happy. He was ready to play for India, but then I don't know what happened, and he was denied from our country, and unfortunately he couldn't play. And as well as you said, as you mentioned, Kingsley for Bangladesh, it would have been absolutely huge, especially as a striker. Strikers like him, if Bangladesh get them, it's going to be really threatening. And it would have been quite huge for Bangladesh as well. And I've seen some other players as well, from Bangladesh. They've been selected for some, huge leagues like the English league for third tier, fifth tier, and all that. It's the to be honest, Bangladesh football has been, it's improving in a faster pace than Indian football. If you ask me, Indian football's got viewership, but then it's not getting the quality at all. And I believe Igor Stimac has to do something before we get fed up of him and do some shit. Yeah.
That Nigerian striker will join Bangladesh after SAF Cup after
Yes.
getting approved from FIFA.
Yes.
Jamal, what do you think about Jamal Bhuyan of Bangladesh?
Jamal Boyan, I'm not heard much of him, but then Jamal Boyan, I'm not heard much of him, but then he's the captain for Bangladesh. He's a defensive midfielder, and he has citizenship with Denmark as well. And I believe he's going to bring in the leadership qualities which Bangladesh need. And I think he's the one who's going to lead Bangladesh. Yeah, he's a captain, right? So I believe he's going to do good, and let's see how it goes.
Okay. Nepal was coming to SAF Cup with the same team played against two friendlies with India. What do you think about it?
I mean, that's a plus point for India, because they're coming with the same squad. We've already analyzed them, and I'm sure, we know how to beat them. We found their weaknesses, and I'm sure we have a good chance against them. It's going to be advantageous for us.
On this SAF Cup, very poor team was Sri Lanka. What do you think about it?
If you're coming to me, Sri Lanka, they've been through a tough phase as well, just like us. They're having troubles, improving with their quality of football, and they pretty much have the same problems of us. Coming into the SAF Cup, they're quite weak. They have been losing a lot, and to be honest, it's gonna be an interesting fight. I think with them, I think they're gonna finish in the bottom, but they have a lot to learn. So I believe they're gonna bounce back stronger the next time.
This SAF Cup will be competitive match for India.
Yes, to be honest, looking at the current situation, India should have been way ahead of where they are right now. We should have been, competing with bigger countries as well. But unfortunately, due to some circumstances appointing the wrong coach, maybe, or whatever, we're still in the bottom area. And I think the SAF Cup should be an area where a lot of people should learn, a lot of players from our team should learn to play like a team and not just have individual potential and to be wasted. Like we've seen Bipin Singh and IS, he was an absolute beast. But coming to the national team, he was kind of bullshit. And the same goes for Manveer Singh as well. So I think it will be a competitive league. We have to learn a lot. We have to play a lot. We have to give everything, whatever we have, and do good, learn from this. And yeah, I think it's going to be a competitive league.
Yes, Sri match was picked a match witness having Indian players. What do you think about it?
Could you repeat the question, please?
Igor Stimac was mostly
Okay.
selected for squad was players have match fitness.
Match
Players with
winners.
match, yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm
Some of
talking about. Yeah, yeah, go on.
some of players was recently played in SAF Cup, Durand Cup,
Yes.
and no, no, sorry, SAF Cup not
Durand
Durand
Cup.
Cup,
Yeah.
Durand Cup and AFC Cup.
AFC Cup as well. Yeah, I mean he's selecting good, good players who have winning mentality as well. Who've been playing the big games like Durand Cup and especially AFC Cup. Players like Manvi Singh, Sunil Shetty, the legend, and the players like those. Pritham Kotal as well. They have a lot of they have experience. They're coming from the Durand Cup, coming from the AFC Cup. So I believe they have experience. But I think the squad selection should have been a little more smarter from Igor Stimac, because we've seen a lot of other potentials as well in Durand Cup. And yeah, it's not the best squad selection as I said, but I think his selection has been good. I mean, it hasn't been good, but I think it's enough for the SAF Cup.
What do you think about India's defense lineup? They are really missing Sandesh Jigan there.
Absolutely. Yes.
Sana Singh was only the
Yes.
real defender there, but others were right back and left back.
Yes. If you're coming to
Pritam Kaur
me,
was
yeah.
such good center back. He was not proper center back. He can play as right right back also. But Igor Stimac plays with Pritam Gautam as center back.
Yes, yes. Coming to the Sandesh Jingan part, it's been really huge, him going to HNK Cyberneck. So I mean he's enjoying his life there, and basically we are lacking him a lot right now. And we have Sana Singh, he's a really trustworthy player. And along with him, yeah, as you mentioned, Pritham Kotal, he's better as a right back more than a centre back. But I think looking at the current circumstances, I think Pritham Kotal can play as a centre back, along with Rahul Beki as well. He's a good one. He can play as centre back as well. But I think Pritham Kotal's, body strength is what we need in that position, in that right back position. Pritham Kotal's body strength, and I think he'd be a good partner for, Sana as well. And right back, we have other players like Seraton and Rahul Beke as well. Coming to the left back, we have Akash Mishra, all those players.
Stimac was selected Farooq Chowdhury for SAF Cup also. He scored a goal against Nepal and gave us win for India.
Yeah.
In
So
this
yeah,
SAF Cup,
yeah.
Farooq Chowdhury can score more goals.
Coming to Farooq Chaudhary, he's going through a tough phase in ISL, and he's got the winner against Nepal as well. And yeah, I think Farooq Chaudhary still has a lot to learn. He's a really good player. He's been proven himself since the last 2 3 years, and I think this SAF Cup would be a phase of improvement for him. And as Igor Stimac has selected quite less forwards, so I think this man is going to get a chance. He's going to prove himself, and I think he's going to do good.
What was lacking in Indian team while playing?
If you're asking me, there was a lot, coming to the passing. We can't keep possession, there's no proper possession play, there's no teamwork, and we have a lot to learn from the other teams like Qatar, Japan, and all that. We don't have proper passing, we don't have proper chemistry. There's a lot of stuff which is lacking: proper chemistry, proper passing, and the self belief as well. A lot of players were lacking, and whenever they get the ball, they basically panic and they just lose possession, which is something bad. There's a lot to learn, like the other formations. They have to shift formations. There's a lot lacking, and I think Igor Stimac has to do something before he gets that.
I don't like one thing from India. You know what is
Yes.
this? What is it?
What is it?
They they giving ball back to defender while getting
Yeah, man.
counter.
That's true. That's true. It's too dumb. That's one thing which is quite annoying. We've seen him from the previous days as well. Whenever they get the ball, they go back, they pass it around the defenders, they park the bus and do some shit which really isn't good. It's quite boring to watch it.
Sunil Chetri was looking forward for this SAF championship. Can
Yes,
he win with team this year SAF championship?
of
He
course,
can
man. Yeah.
become top scorer of SAF championship 2021.
Absolutely, coming to the SAF Champions League, SAF Cup, we've seen India the biggest contenders. We're the biggest contenders for the other teams. And Sunil Chetri, as we know, he's the best player. He's definitely the best player and all compared to all the other countries in this cup. And he has a good chance. He's coming to the pretty much the peak end of his career. So I think he deserves a good favor. And before the favor, he's having matches like this. He still has time left. He still has some horses left in him, and he's still quite fit and he can play for long. And I think he has a really good chance to be the top scorer as well and lift the SAF Cup with India.
Can you tell the lineup of India on SAF Cup?
Yeah, hang on. If you ask me for the lineup, coming to goalkeeper, I think it's definitely going to be Gurpreet Singh. It's quite obvious. He's been the best keeper in India so far. I believe is the best keeper, of course, in India's history as well. He's absolutely phenomenal. And if you're asking me the defenders, I choose centre back Sana and Pritham Kotal. Coming to right back, it's definitely going to be Certain Fernandez for me. And the left back, I choose Mandara Desai. And coming to midfielders, it's a lot of midfielders, so it's going to be a hard fight for everyone. But I think if you're in the midfield, I think um I'd go with Suresh Singh. I'd go with Anirudh Thapa and Sahal Abdul Samad as well. And I think no wait, Brandon Fernandez is there, right? Totally forgot about him. I think I'd go with Suresh Singh, Sahal and Brandon. Basically Suresh and Sahal, Sahal is a versatile player. He can probably play in anywhere in the defense. I think I'd play Sahal somewhere around the defensive midfielder position, to intercept those balls and play it forward to Brandon. And Brandon, we all know what he can do. A lot of options in midfield, but I think these two are the ones who I'm going to choose. Coming to the forward lineup, I think I choose Sunil Chetri, which is obvious, coming along with Manveer Singh and Farooq Chaudhary.
This is 4-4-2 formation.
No, it's 4-4-3-3.
Okay, 4-4-3-3. Okay, okay. Then which Indian player we had to see in this South Cup?
Indian player, if you're asking me, Sunil Chetri is obvious. He's of course one to watch out for. And other than Sunil Chetri, if you're asking me, I think one man who's gonna shine, rise up. I think it's gonna be Farooq Chaudhary, Sana, and along Farooq Chaudhary, Sana, and along with Liston Kolaso. I think these three are pretty much inexperienced, and I think they're gonna prove themselves in the SAF Cup, and I think they're gonna do good. What do you
Yes.
think?
What
What do you think about the same question?
I hoping Rahim Ali scoring more goals.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
Currently, all Indian fans was blaming him, but he
Yeah,
have capability to convert goals.
yes, you're
He
right.
has to do more in while getting chance to score.
Yes, yes, he's got potential. He has the capability, but it's all how he uses it rightly. He has to learn to take those chances and use it in the right way.
On this half cup, Amrinder Singh and Bim got selected, but they became
Tested
corona
positive.
positive.
Yeah,
So they came in for Amrinder, but for Vibin, there
yeah,
is no came.
yeah.
Chante not selected for this Cup. I
Yes,
do
he's
think
not selected.
he got chances regularly for India. He regularly got uh, called up for Indian team in squad.
Yeah, I don't know why Chante was not called up, man. I mean, this is what I'm saying. The squad selection, it's been weird this time. He's not been selected. And along with Amrinder Singh, he's been tested positive, but I don't think that's a big issue for our country because we have the Wall Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, we have Dheeraj Singh, these two big names as well. They've been good enough, and I think they're good enough as well. And coming to Bipin Singh, he's being tested positive, and I think it's pretty much a bad news for us because we're lacking another attacker because of him testing positive, but we can't blame him for that. Yeah, but I think we have the replacements, we have the capability, and I think it's good enough. And I'd be happier if Chante gets selected. I would definitely choose him in the starting 11. His pace is what we need, his pace and all that skill which he got. It's absolutely phenomenal.
On this Cup, which Indian player will give more assists?
Yeah, coming to us, I think it's Brandon Fernandez, of course.
Oh yes. Which team will face in final of SAF Championship 2021?
That's a
Which
hard
two team?
question. That's a hard question. But if you're asking me, I'm keeping high
Then
hopes on our country.
mm, then you can tell the table.
Okay, so if you want me to tell the table, I'm keeping really high hopes on my country. I'm keeping high hopes on them, and I believe they can finish first. And following them, I think it's gonna be Maldives or Bangladesh. Maldives or Bangladesh, you're gonna be ranked second and
Maldives
third.
are Maldives were last time SAF Cup champions.
Absolutely, man. They've been phenomenal even recently. So I think Maldives will be second or third, along with Bangladesh as well, somewhere around that region, second or third. And the last two spots, I'd give it for Sri Lanka and Nepal.
Oh yes. Last time India under 23 team was played South Championship. This year they are going with senior team.
Yeah, that's true. And by the way, dude, have you heard this joke where people say, send Bengaluru's B team to SAF Cup and they'll show you what levels are? After seeing them play yesterday,
Yes, yes.
there
They
have been a lot
they
of,
yes, they
there have been
performed
really
well
great,
in they were performed well in Durand Cup, but
absolutely amazing
yesterday
players.
lost to FC Goa in penalty.
Yeah, FC Goa even had three foreigners, but still, it was really unbelievable, man. I mean,
Their interest managed well against senior players of FC Goa.
yeah, that's true. It's absolutely wonderful to see those young boys. They're going to be the future of our country for sure.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
What do you think about Asghal Abdul Samad?
Sahal,
He had to provide more assists and goals.
yeah, I'm talking about Sahal. He has a lot of capability. Trust me, he has a lot of capability, and even he has been one season wonder so far. But he has a lot of capability. He gives a lot of key passes. His interceptions are amazing. But I think one problem which he has is, in Caleb Blasters, I believe his teammates are not supportive. I think that team which he chose, Kerala Blaster, it's not right for him. His teammates are not supportive. A lot of he tries to give key passes and all that, but in the end, it's all for nothing because his teammates, like, I'm not gonna mention them, but they keep missing chances, and I think that's a huge negative point for them.
Some Indian
And
fans were not hoping India in SAF Cup. What you tell about it to fans?
oh, I don't know, man. It's their opinion because I don't think they like the Soft Cup, but after all, it's their opinion. But I'm quite happy with India, staying in the Soft Cup.
What you think about telecast? Star Sports said us we don't have rights for SAF Cup. What will happen?
I'm really hoping someone takes it on sooner or later because someone like Sony 10 maybe who is currently telecasting the Durand Cup, Sony 10 too, and Star Sports as usual they don't want to buy it because the viewership is quite less. It's quite
Yes,
less, and all they do is buy cricket and do shit with cricket and all that.
we always approaching the Star Sports. We had to approach other channels
Yes,
also. That
yes,
will
that's
be
actually true.
good move for Indian football fans to watch
I mean, you've
Indian
seen Star Sports,
matches.
Star Sports all these days. They've been really bad. They've not been, using our demands to a good extent. They've not been telecasting the cups. I think it's time to, switch to Sony 10 or something like that, so that
Yes,
take our
Sony
chances with them.
Sony showed Durand Cup matches,
Yes,
semi-finals and
semi-finals, and they're gonna show the finals as well.
finals also.
Yes.
Okay, friends, video is over. I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, what you think India can win this
Comment down
championship?
below.
Comment below. Nicole, Rohan, last question.
Yeah,
Can
sure.
I? What happens if Igor Stimas can't win the South Cup?
I'd be really mad if he doesn't win this half cup. I mean, it's the easiest competition which he has to play right now. Even it's pretty much easy. He has to win. He has no other choice. And if he doesn't, I swear I'm gonna spam sack Mac everywhere. I mean,
Oh,
he deserves to be sacked. After all. And if he bottles the half cup, he's definitely gonna get sacked. I hope he gets sacked.
yes, this was the news was coming from management.
Of course, yeah. But I've heard that the management, has extended his contract. I'm not sure, but I hope that's fake.
Yes, yes, maybe.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, guys, video is over. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like if you like this video. Don't forget to comment. If you want more changes in podcast and improvement in podcast, please comment below. I will check it and change the podcast. Okay, guys.
Yep.
Thanks.
Bye. See you
Thank
later.
you. Thank you, Rohan. Thank you, Rohan.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Bye.